What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change directories in command prompt. Let's get into it. Okay, so you guys want to go ahead and open command prompt by typing CMD in the search bar down the bottom, and then right clicking on the app, and then going run as administrator. And it's going to ask you if you allow this app to make changes, just click yes. And here we go, we are now in CMD. So as you can see, I am now in the Windows/System32 directory. So I'm just going to go into my program files. So to do this, I will need to get the directory. You can either copy and paste this or type it in yourself. After you've got the directory, you want to type in CD, which stands for change directory, and then you want to paste the directory or type it in yourself. Make sure every character is correct. And then after that, you just want to click enter. And now, as you can see, we are in the program files. So we can access any of these files now by just typing CD, say I want to get into the Git file, and then typing Git. Now we are in this file right here. That is how you change directories and command prompt. But before this video finishes, I'm just going to show you how to open a folder which is on your desktop, because you can actually not go to the desktop. As you can see, the system cannot find the correct path. So I'm going to go back to the Systems32 directory. And there we go. So to access your desktop, what you want to do is actually go into the user where your desktop is located. So the easy way to do this is to just reload command prompt and just not run as an administrator this time. So just click on it and you'll be logged into the user. And you'll be in the users/ your username directory. I've crossed that out for privacy purposes, but now to access your desktop, just type in CD desktop, and now you're on the desktop. So that is a quick fix for the main problem most people will have with this video. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If this did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you have any video suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. And that is it from me, everybody. Peace out.